Today we're gonna be making chocolate cupcakes with chocolate frosting, and someone has told me that even though I'm a kid, I have more time on my hands than I thought. So we're gonna be making it from scratch. Let's get started. What she just did was she preheated the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm gonna finish lining these. What you need to make the cake or cupcake, you need 2 cups sugar, 1 3/4 cup all-purpose flour, and 3/4 cup Hershey's cocoa powder, 1½ teaspoons baking powder, 1½ teaspoons baking soda, 1 teaspoon salt, the struggle is real, salt, 2 eggs, 1 cup milk, which is also in the fridge, ½ a cup vegetable oil, 1 cup boiling water. Why boiling water? The eggs. There's 1 cup. Once I use it, I'm just gonna put it over there, so. 1. 1½ baking powder. It's so same amount for baking soda. 1 teaspoon. I know what I could do as a prank. You know how sugar and salt look the same? And we have like one of the sugar things? I could fill it with salt instead. Okay. Okay, now for the wet things. One cup milk. That's 1 cup. I have to hide this from the bro. This looks like eggnog. Oil. ½ a cup. A drop. That looks so cool. 2 teaspoons vanilla extract. 2 teaspoons vanilla extract. So what I just had the mixer do for me is I mixed the wet ingredients and the dry ingredients together. Now it's time to add this. It looks like a cake batter already. Okay, so I'm gonna use a spoon to put it in. I'm doing 2 of these, which isn't all the way.
Cupcakes to the batter.
What I'm doing is I'm turning this so that I can just...
You're trying to be smart.
Wait, trying? What? So out of that we got 19 cupcakes. So now it's time to put them in the oven for 30 to 35 minutes. Okay, so for the frosting you need a stick of butter, vanilla extract, powdered sugar, and milk. Oh, and this again. Hello, old friend. Okay, so 1 stick of butter, 2/3 cup Hershey's cocoa, 3 cups powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, egg extract. Now to mix it. The butter's stuck to it. Yep. I don't know why I just didn't do the this in the first place. Think that one has enough? Two cups sugar. 1 and 3.
She's down.
I can't. Okay. You shut up. You can bring one home.
Just one? How nice of you.
What?